Hello friends. So the first step to change iTunes backup location is to find out where your iTunes is storing iPhone backups on your Windows 10 computer. So launch folder on your computer and open C drive. Now select users. Now here you want to select your computer username. My username is Apple friendly for this computer. So let's open it. Now guys, watch this step carefully. You can have two different iTunes backup locations based on the source of installation of iTunes. First location is this. This is the path you need to find if you have installed iTunes from Apple's website. And to go to this path, you should first click on the view option on the main menu bar. Then go to this view and hide section and make sure you have this checkbox marked hidden items. This option will help you to find this path on your Windows 10 computer. Now, second location is this. You need to follow this path if you have installed iTunes from Microsoft Store on your Windows 10 computer. I am using this second path for this tutorial. So, you want to select Apple folder, then select Mobile Sync. Now, this is the backup folder where iTunes is saving all your iPhone backups. So as you can see, I already have one backup here. Now what I'm going to do is, I'll go back and rename this folder. You can name it anything. Idea is you should not have a folder with name backup at this location because we are going to generate a new backup folder which iTunes will use for all your future iPhone backups. So I'll name it old backup. That's all. Now go ahead and connect your external hard drive to your Windows 10 computer. See, you can use D drive, E drive, anything as your new iTunes backup location. I'm using external hard drive for this tutorial. So this is my external hard drive folder and it is mounted as D drive on my Windows 10 computer. So now let's go ahead and create a new folder on our external hard drive. Let's open it. And this is the location we are going to use for all future iTunes backups. iTunes will use this external hard drive folder for backing up all your future iPhones. So it will not take up any space on C drive on your computer. Now let's go back to the original iTunes backup location, which is C drive on your computer. Now hold the Shift key on your keyboard and right click with your mouse. And now select this Open PowerShell window here. This should launch a blue PowerShell window. So let's adjust the window so that you can see what's happening in the background. See, whatever I'm going to type in here, you can find all that text down in the description below. You can copy that text and edit it as per your preference, as per your computer, or you can type in manually as I'm going to show you now. So you want to type cmd space /c space mklink space /j space quotation mark. Now go to the original path of iTunes backup, which is the C drive on your Windows 10 computer. Copy this path. Go back to Windows PowerShell again and paste this path here. Just press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Now add \, write backup, and again quotation mark. Now add space and one more quotation mark. And now go to the new location of your iTunes backup, which is external hard drive for this tutorial. Copy this path. Go back to the Windows PowerShell again and paste this new path here. Just press Ctrl+V again on your keyboard. Now final quotation mark and then hit enter on your keyboard. Now you should see a message saying junction created. And at the same time, if you noticed, it automatically created a new folder named backup. This is actually not a folder. It's a shortcut. It is just a link connected to your external hard drive folder. And this is the link iTunes will use for all your future iPhone backups. So anything you add to this folder, it's gonna copy it to external hard drive. So it will not occupy any space on your C drive on your computer. Let me show you how. As of now, this folder is empty. because we have not taken any iPhone backup yet. But we already have one old backup in this old backup folder. So let's cut this backup and paste it into our new backup folder. It's gonna take time depending on your backup size, so you want to wait. Now as you can see, we have this iPhone backup at this original backup location. But now when we go to external hard drive, you can see that we have the same iPhone backup available on our external hard drive as well. And the best part is, this is the original copy of iPhone backup. And on our original backup location, that is C drive on your computer, it is just a link of that iPhone backup stored on external hard drive. Although it looks like the backup is saved here, it is actually not. Let me show you the magic. When we go to mobile sync folder and see its properties, you can see that it occupies no space, absolute zero. So it means your iTunes backup location has been changed successfully on your Windows 10 computer. Now we don't have anything inside this old backup folder. So let's delete it. Now let's launch iTunes and see if iTunes recognizes this iPhone backup while restoring. So when you tap on Restore Backup button, you can see that iTunes recognizes the new backup folder and the iPhone backup inside that folder. Now let me show you what happens when I delete this iPhone backup from this original backup path on C drive. So it has deleted the iPhone backup, and when we go back to the new iTunes backup location, which is external hard drive, you can see that it has deleted iPhone backup from your external hard drive as well. It means these folders are linked. You have to be very careful while deleting anything from your original iTunes backup path. Now let's go ahead and create a new iPhone backup, and let's see if iTunes can copy this iPhone backup to external hard drive. So let's hit backup now. And now when we go to C drive, iPhone backup has been created successfully. And now when we see the external hard drive folder, iTunes has copied the same iPhone backup to external hard drive successfully. And when we go to C drive and check the mobile sync folder properties, it is still 0 bytes. So no space occupied on your C drive. And now when we click on this Restore Backup button, iTunes recognizes the iPhone backup stored on external hard drive, and that's what we want. Now watch this carefully, guys. When you see the properties of backup folder on your C drive, you will see the actual backup size. Don't be confused here. It's not occupying any space on C drive on your computer. Whatever size you see here, it's from external hard drive. So just relax, no need to worry. iTunes is already using external hard drive for backing up your iPhone. Now supposedly you no longer want to use external hard drive as your iTunes backup location, and you want to revert back to C drive on your computer. So simply launch Windows PowerShell again and type in this command: cmd /c rmdir and now go back to the new iTunes backup location, that is your external hard drive. Copy the location, go back to Windows PowerShell and paste it. Now hit enter on your keyboard. That's all. You should see a text something like this: the system cannot find the file specified, which is absolutely fine. Close the Windows PowerShell, and if you noticed, it has deleted our backup folder link from this path. But don't worry, your backup on external hard drive is safe. It is not going to delete any iPhone backup from your external hard drive or new iTunes backup location. It just unlinks the C drive backup location from the external hard drive backup location or the new iTunes backup location. Now you want to go back to C drive, mobile sync folder, and create a new folder with name backup manually. Now when you back up your iPhone, iTunes is gonna use this old backup location for all your future iPhone backups. So we are back to original situation. Now let me tell you few things before you try and change your iTunes backup location on your Windows 10 computer. So I would ask you to manually move your iTunes backup from C drive to external hard drive, which I have already told in my earlier video, link in the description below, because this method might corrupt your iPhone backup. So you have to be very careful while using this method. You should use this method only and only if you are actually facing storage issues on your Windows 10 computer. Also, if you're using this method, you should connect your external hard drive to iTunes before you launch iTunes or before you want to backup or restore iPhone. And I would always recommend to have at least one iPhone backup space on your C drive if you are using this method. Sometimes these links don't work and Windows try to create cache files for larger iPhone backups, and that might corrupt your iPhone backup. So it's a very rare case, but you have to be careful and it might happen with you. So just be careful while using these links. And last but not the least, do not use pen drives for backing up iPhone. Use hard disk and SSDs because those are going to handle your iTunes backup, your iPhone data much better than pen drives. And that's all for today. Hit that like button if this video really helped and subscribe to the channel if you want to continue watching this type of useful videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.